Hello everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday. Beautiful sunny morning here. I'm out trackside and it's Sunday the 30th of June. I don't have much for you in the way of trains today, but more of a little life update for you. While I was away in England for 6 weeks, the plan was that the builder would come in and do our bathroom, and it would all be finished when I got home. That wasn't so. When I got home, there was still a couple of days worth of work to do. So duly they got that finished and we had our first shower. Now thankfully I had not placed any of my models that I bought in England directly underneath there in the basement. Unfortunately, I had placed a pile of papers there. All my maps, my brochures, my souvenir tickets, all that stuff from my trip to England was sitting directly underneath the bathtub. And you can guess the rest. It is ruined, soaked. So the builder came in and located what he thought was the problem and fixed that. Said, there you go, you're all done. So, another shower and another flood. So here we are on Sunday the 30th of June. He was supposed to start the project on the 21st of May. It's going to be about a 2-week project. 30th of June, we still don't have a bathroom. Oh well, that's that. Nothing to do with trains. Trains on Tuesday for the next little while is going to be difficult for me. Obviously the garden is a bit of a mess. I expected that, and that's nothing I can't handle. But as a result of the holiday, decided to take my life in a slightly different direction. I'm not going to give up on the Trains on Tuesday or all my trains, but I've got to add in some other activities. And it's going to take time. Anyway, this being the 30th of June, tomorrow is Canada Day, Monday. So we will be down in the park, the Kamloops Heritage Railway will be down in Riverside Park all day. I'll be down there at 7 in the morning or 7:30 in the morning till about noon, manning the booth. Take a little bit of a break, noon till 6 p.m. Then it's back to the train and we run the fireworks train. We won't be finished that till about midnight, so it'll be too late to do anything in terms of Trains on Tuesday for the fireworks train until next week. Anyway, that's basically it. Little life update. Now we'll have a couple of trains. See you later.
Sir.